Welcome to Wealth Wave. Today, we have some exciting news for everyone on Social Security, SSI, SSDI, and VA benefits. On July 1, you'll receive double direct payments. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about this unexpected financial boost. Find out if you qualify for these extra payments. We'll detail the eligibility criteria so you know if you're in line for this financial increase. Learn exactly how much you can expect to receive. We'll provide the specifics on payment amounts so you can plan accordingly. Understand how this might affect your regular benefits. It's crucial to know how these double payments could influence your standard benefit schedule. Get practical advice on how to prepare and make the most of this extra money. Proper planning can help you maximize the benefit of this financial boost. These payments are a lifeline, providing essential financial support for daily living expenses, healthcare costs, and more. Any change in payment schedules or amounts can significantly impact individuals and families across the nation. A federal program providing retirement, disability, and survivor benefits. Supplemental Security Income (SSI) needs-based assistance for elderly, blind, or disabled individuals with limited income. Social Security Disability Insurance (SSDI) benefits for those unable to work due to a severe medical condition. A range of services for eligible veterans and their families. The possibility of double payments is not new but can be confusing and exciting. In some years, payment schedules may align in a way that results in what appears to be a double payment. Calendar influence: if a usual payment date falls on a weekend or holiday, the payment may be issued on the nearest business day. More likely to experience double payments due to their payment schedule. Payment dates are typically determined by birth dates, making double payments less common. Payment dates can vary, but double payments can occur based on the specific program. Adjust your budget to account for the double payment and the potential lack of a payment the following month. Consider using part of the double payment to start or bolster an emergency fund. Use any extra funds to pay down high-interest debt. Avoid large purchases. Remember, this isn't extra money but an advance payment. Review your benefits regularly. Catch any changes or discrepancies early. Ensure you receive important notifications about your benefits. Access your benefit information through platforms like My Social Security or VA. Sign up for notifications. Get timely updates about your benefits via email or text. Addressing common misconceptions. They are usually due to payment schedule alignments. Not everyone receives double payments. It depends on your specific benefit program and payment schedule. Double payments are not permanent increases. They are typically a one-time occurrence due to scheduling. You may not receive a payment the following month, so plan accordingly. Growing trend towards digital payments could change how and when payments are received. Discussions about changing payment frequencies could impact future payments. Ongoing debates and potential reforms could lead to changes in payment structures or amounts. As we wrap up our discussion, remember that double payments on July 1 are often due to payment schedule alignments and don't represent extra money. Stay informed, plan accordingly, and make the most of this financial boost. Thank you for watching Wealth Wave. Make sure to stay tuned for more updates and information that can help you navigate your benefits and financial planning. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.